Today we talk about how can you select alarm audio on your app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go down here, click here on me down here, just click on it. So when you click on me, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do next, you just click here on settings. You come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. Click here on notification settings. So you come to next step here, then you click here on alarm audio settings. And here can you select here fire alarm or medical alarm here or emergency alarm. Here can you select it in this list. That's all. I wish you a great. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.